Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about GetResponse, which is really nice software for all your marketing needs. Basically, we will going through pros and cons. We'll check the pricing tags, and also we can compare it with the other options for you, that being like Mailjet or some more. So let's start with GetResponse. Watch your marketing campaign earn better returns than ever before. Create contents that your audience can't ignore by customizing any of 500 and more pre-designed templates, or create a new one from scratch on your own. You can also choose from more than 1,000 free iStock images to give your email a more professional touch. GetResponse allows you to design emails that would look perfect on every device, so that you are always delivering perfectly formatted emails. Its perfect timing feature ensures that your message enters your contacts inbox when they are most active, so that your email is never lost or buried among other emails. They are at the moment located in Poland, and it's made for all types of businesses, being small, medium, or even large. It's not very well suited for individuals, so for that maybe Mailjet is better option. You can run it in your web browser, but what is even better, you can run it in your Android and iOS as well. At the moment, as you can see, they are suited into blue and yellow color to support Ukraine. Let's check the pricings. With pricing, it's a good manner that those email campaign sites are providing free options. So if you're smaller or starting business or growing business, there's a free forever option. As you can see, they are providing discounts if you decide to go annually, that being 12 months, or you want to invest into 2-year subscription, which is minus 30%, which is huge. For example, Mailjet is providing only minus 10% flat, but it's cheaper on the other hand. Yet again, you can go monthly, then yearly, and 2 years subscription. As I said, let's go with a yearly subscription. With free option, which is free forever, it's up to 500 contacts. You won't pay anything, but you have unlimited newsletter, one landing page, website builder, connect your domain, and sign up forms. All I want to see is if you have your APIs ready, but I don't think so that it's ready in a free option. Then we have a basic one. You are paying for the contacts you decide to go with. For example, 1,000 contacts, 2,500, 5,000, up to 100,000 contacts. It's average, but yeah, if you are in for some more, like 500,000 a month, which is not that many, you will have to look for something or some other option, not GetResponse. But if you are growing business, I mean, should be more than enough. You have autoresponders, unlimited landing pages, unlimited website builder, basic segmentation, and email scheduling. With Plus, which they claim is a top choice, you're paying 45 euros a month. Marketing automation, webinars, 3 team members, contact scoring and tagging, advanced segmentation, and 5 sales funnels. And then professional, which is the most expensive one. You are paying $86, but all the features are open. This is for everyone, but then we have mid and large companies. They are working on quotation base. So you need to get a quote and they'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to try and create an account at GetResponse, basically you hover over the create free account option, you go with your full name, and also the password, and you just create an account. Easy as that. I have to now go to my email and check the activation email. It's not there yet, but yeah, it can take some time. Probably it will end up in spam. And yeah, often you have to click a couple of times on the send it again to actually receive it, because first time it's a little bit clunky, but it's still not in my mailbox. And this is also a good way of trying out, like if you are on a schedule, you really need them to send it as quickly as possible to you, but so far it's nothing in there, and that's literally the only thing that we are waiting for at the moment. Other than that, I think that yeah, it's pretty well suited for everybody. It's a little bit more expensive than, for example, MailJet, and you can feel like you don't have enough of options of sending emails, because 100k in a bundle, it can seem a lot, but most certainly it's not a lot at all. Still waiting for that email, is never coming. In the worst possible scenario, we will continue in the video of how to create a campaign, for example, because this is not, we are not getting response from GetResponse, which is funny. At least I hope so. No, there are no emails, and yeah, the email I gave them is right, so I don't know what's taking them so long. Yeah, I think that we will have to pack it up here, because they are just not providing any emails back. And according to my experience, sometimes it can last an hour and more to actually receive a confirmation email, but I think they are busy this time. If you have any types of questions or any kinds of questions of how to get in there into GetResponse, leave your question underneath this video, please, and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Also, I'll let you know in another or the next GetResponse video how long it took them to send me the activation email, because other sites, they've sent it like in 5 minutes tops, and this is taking a bit too long for your time to actually watch this video, because we are not talking about basically anything valid to GetResponse, but I believe they will deliver the activation code in a few minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more GetResponse videos. Up until then, have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye.